everybody, and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Dallas Mavericks superstar, NBA basketball player, Luka Doncic. So, Luka actually is from Slovenia, a country in Central Europe, and was drafted in 2018, actually by the Atlanta Hawks. They took the third pick with Luka, and later traded for the rights to Trae Young. So, interesting enough, Luka almost was in an Atlanta Hawks uniform. So here we go. We're going to start out with our black marker here, the fine point right here. We're going to find the center of our page. So come down, come over, and we'll draw the chin, the head, in this upper area. Alrighty. So Luka won the Rookie of the Year in 2018-19 and is a rising star known for his triple doubles, which means he scores in double digits or in 3 categories. So he's an all-around amazing basketball player, and we're a big fan of Luka. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a big U shape for his chin, kind of this rounded U shape. Some ears on each side. Couple of lines to make his head come up there. Now his hair is gonna go like this. We're gonna go over and down. So that's gonna be where the part of his hair is. And then we're gonna draw some spikes. They go down and connect to his head. Got it? And we'll fill that hairline in a little bit better here. Let's do it now, actually. So go over, up, and a big swoop with the hair coming down and connecting into his head. All right. So Luka has smiley. He's always smiling for some reason. Even if he's not meaning to, he's always doing some type of smile. So let's do some smiley eyes. We'll do 1, 2. Okay. He's always got this squinting, kind of a smiley face, which is a good thing. And his nose we'll do down, like so. And let's do a smile. Okay, this is gonna be a little challenging for the mouth, so we'll do. Comes to a point, and then up, and down, and then up. We're going to color these corners of his mouth black. And leave the inside white for his teeth, okay? We'll do a little line under his lip for the bottom lip. And that's basically the face. We'll do the eyebrows and the coloring in a minute here. So let's do his neck. We'll go down, down. The Dallas Mavericks jersey comes down to a point. Up to his neck. Jersey, jersey. Bring that around like that. Bring this other jersey over here. And we'll bring it down to his waist. Over. Connect. All right. So we got the torso of Luka Doncic ready to go. Let's do a basketball over here. He's going to be dribbling a basketball, so we'll do a circle as best as we can. And we'll do some fingers. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe a thumb on that side. And his shoulder goes right into that basketball. His elbow goes right into that basketball. Kind of disappears behind the basketball there. All right. So next, let's do this other arm. We'll see if he can be pointing number 1, like Dallas Mavericks are number 1, or maybe he's even calling a play. So we'll do a short arm, a longer arm to an elbow. This will go up. Thumb, so the thumb kind of curves around. Here's his index finger pointing up. 1, 2, 3. Okay. elbow is going to come connect up here to that finger. So we're just going to draw a straight line up to that hand. Now Luka always wears the, on his left hand, he wears this big white arm band. So let's do the wrist, the bicep, and we're going to leave this white. Okay, so let's do the shorts now. Down, down, over, over, come up to a V, not a V, but a kind of a triangle look. And we'll do his legs, 2 lines, 2 lines. Okay, kind of this rounded bottom. All right, let's do the big shoes. We like to draw our basketball, NFL, baseball, soccer, all of our players with these big kind of oversized feet. It's kind of fun because they're cartoons. So there's the tongue of the shoe. 1, 2, 3 for the laces. 1, 2, 3 for the shoelaces. Big shoe goes down, straight across, and connect to the ankle. Let's do that again. So we'll do the ankle down, come straight across, big up, and connect to those laces. Alrighty. Okay, so we basically have the outline to our Luka Doncic player. We're gonna put away the black marker for a minute, and it is about time to do this in fast forward. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this, our blue color. It's kind of a bluish purple color, fine point. We're gonna do the number 77, kind of big, and then we'll color around it. So here we go. Down, over, straight down, over, come up, and connect. Do the same thing. I probably should have left a little more space over there. Maybe the number's going off, you know, kind of off to the side. And within that number is, I'm trying to figure out what color, it's gray. So we're gonna color a gray on the inside, and Dallas is gonna be in dark letters here. Let's do that. Should we do Dallas right now? Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna get a darker marker, darker blue. We're gonna do, actually, you know what we'll do? Here's what we'll do. We'll color this in, we'll come over it in dark blue, we'll write Dallas in dark blue on top of the blue, and then outline it in white with our white Prismacolor pencil. So these are kind of a secret weapon. So when everything's done and dark, we come over our drawings with this Prismacolor white pencil, and you can add highlights and outlines, and it's really a secret weapon tool for our drawings. All right, so let's hit fast forward right now. You can pause, you can slow it down as you need to, and we are going to color in Luka Doncic now. Fast forward.